Alright, I wanted to continue going over the services page navigation really quickly. Where we left off was we just created the services page. I was kind of rushing through it. Basically, each page is one of these little tabs, as I was saying. So Lightbox examples is one page, and then columns is another, and the menu order is controlled the exact same way. So if we wanted columns to be number 1, we could make columns menu order in the sidebar 1. I'll go ahead and do that since we have some time. We make that 1, and then I'm going to go back to about, refresh it, and columns should jump up. Alright, now the other things I wanted to go over was how to change the font color and the background image of the services page, because it's a little quirky since there's multiple pages on one page. So the font is actually controlled by the parent page on About. So I'll demo that right now. Since the parent page is About, we'll change that to dark, update that, and we can refresh and see how the dark font will basically be controlled on all of the pages. So you just need to change in that one area. Now the other quirk is that the background image is controlled by the last page. So that's going to be Lightbox examples. See, that's the last one. And we'll go ahead and upload an image real quick for you just so we can see that as an example. Oh, popped off the screen. Alright. Now we grab the URL, copy it, close this window, we don't need it anymore. Paste it into background images, update, and then we refresh, and we have a background image now. Ta-da! So the key to this is that the font color is controlled by the parent page, and then the background image is controlled by the last page or the last slide. And so if you start changing the menu order, you might lose your background image. Just remember that little few steps. And if you get confused, just make all the pages the same, and that'll simplify things for you. And that's how to do the services page. I'll do one last step, and that's how to change it back to the About page, where there's the actual navigation, and that's just going to the parent page, About, and then taking off the slider content template, updating it, and then it now becomes with the About with the actual navigation instead of the little tabs. And then these actually have their own controlled pages since they are individual pages. And that's the only difference between the services and the About, is that page template. And that's a summary of the services and the About pages.